Hey friends, welcome back to another video in IMAT series. So in this video, we are going to talk about IMAT 2025 syllabus. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm going to share not PDF, but I'm also going to share how you can access the explanation, how you can get the explanation of all the PDF of that syllabus. Because the PDF I'm going to share is in the form of scattered form. Like everything is scattered. It's really hard to understand which topics are included in further chapters and everything, so it's really hard. So I have got the whole master classes which are absolutely free, which you need to watch to get what you need to study under every chapter. So we will come on that part later, although I want you to watch this video completely because I'm going to share how to use this syllabus effectively so that you can crack IMAT, because that's the thing. You just get IMAT syllabus from this video and go away. That's not like a big deal. You get the syllabus and you really get to know how to use that syllabus. That's what really matters. So I'm going to explain you that. MUR, Italian Ministry of University and Research, publishes the syllabus every year. So they publish around July, and previous year, like in 2024, they just said very late in August, like the start of August. So that was like kind of very late. But the thing is, they did not change anything. So what you get, you just need to start right now with the previous IMAT syllabus. And that syllabus hasn't changed from like 2-3 years. Okay, 2-3 years, it has got no change. So you do not have to wait for the new syllabus, like it's going to arrive, then I will start your preparation. No, just get out of that dilemma and start with the previous syllabus. I'm going to share all the PDFs, but right now you have got the syllabus. IMAT has got 23 questions for biology, 15 for chemistry, and then 13 for physics and maths, and then 5 for logical reasoning, and then 4 for general knowledge and reading skills. Now you need to really prepare for that. So I would say now the more weighted subjects that are included in the syllabus, you really need to focus more on them. That's like a simple logic that says. But here's the thing, just get the syllabus and try to focus on the most high yielded topics. Like if that is biology, in biology, what they ask every year, like what are the most high yielded chapters? Like if there is inheritance, which contains molecular genetics, where there is DNA replication, transcription, translation, every single year there are 2-3 questions from that chapter. So you really need to consider it. And then there is cellular respiration, electron transport chain, Krebs cycle. It's really important. From cell biology, 1 to 2 questions are there. And I have got a whole like a very beast lecture on cell biology uploaded on my YouTube. You can access it here, and also it will be in video description. So I really want you to watch it to understand the whole cell biology and what are the things that you really need to prepare. Okay, that's all. Now when it comes to chemistry, go for, although there are like lots of chapters in biology, I will tell you because I have made the master classes. You can watch them for free. Where to access them, I'm going to give you a link. So just stick with this video. Now if here comes chemistry section. In chemistry, yeah, you need to divide the chemistry into inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. Then go for the most high yielded chapters. Like in chemistry, what are the most high yielded? There are lots of calculation involved. There are calculation based questions. So what you are going to focus on them. Yeah, that makes sense. But how? So first of all, there is like moles calculation, conversion of moles. Then there comes percentage yield, very important. Every single year there is one question. And then there comes atomic structure. In atomic structure, you really need to understand the structure of atom and every single thing in it. And then there is periodic table. In periodic table, you need to get the trends, because trends are really important. Then there will be chemical bonding, how bonds are created, ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, and what are the important like features of them. Polar bond, you will have to differentiate between polar bond and non-polar bond. How you can do that, I have got, like, if you do not know about my notes, those are completely free. You can access them for free, absolutely free. Just go. I have like got in the table forms. They here for the polar bonds, here are the non-polar bonds. What are the difference between them? Okay, that's all, because I know you know more than me. Anyways, now then there comes with the our periodic table. Periodic table is kind of important because there are blocks. You really need to grip them up. Okay, because if you don't, they are going to ask you trend, and then you will be like, okay, I don't want you to do that. Anyways, after this there is okay, there are lots of other chapters that are important as well, like, because balancing equation is every single year is there, so you really need to get them as well. There are a few more chapters as well that I've gotten, don't worry. And then there is physics. Physics is calculation based, so try to focus on the like most important one, like mechanics, electricity, and then there is electrostatics as well. There are Coulomb's law and all that. But in physics, you really need to understand what is acceleration, how to calculate it, equations of motion, and the projectile motion, and then there will come work energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. These basics are really important. But the most important thing is the basics. What are those basics? SI unit, unit conversion, dimensions. Those are really important. Although that was the old IMAT, now in new IMAT they are in a different way, but you really need to understand the unit and formulas of everything. I have got a, if you like, if physics is the whole game of formulas, so if you do not have grip on formulas, you cannot ace IMAT. I have got all the physics formulas in the form of PDF on my website. That is absolutely free. You just download it and use it on your computer or print it out, because it has got all the IMAT formulas. And remember, IMAT is really about formulas, nothing else. IMAT physics is all about formulas. But the thing really important here is you really need to learn how to use those formulas to solve the questions, because if you can, then you won't be able to crack the IMAT, and that is really matters. So learn those formulas and just like crack the physics. That's easy, it's not hard, but it's little hard if you don't practice. Anyways, now let's move on to, okay, before moving on to logical reasoning, there are more chapter important, because I will recommend you the master classes. There will be a huge 2 hours master class on physics, so you can watch that, and that will solve all your important, what has got more weightage in IMAT, that will solve your queries. Okay, now let's move on to our logical reasoning. Logical reasoning has got 2 portions. So there is syllabus, that in critical thinking, that is critical thinking, and then problem solving. Critical thinking has got what? Critical thinking has got 5 types of questions. First is conclusion, then assumption, then flaws, and then strengthening and weakening, and then there is inferences and parallel reasoning. So if you can master them, that will be legit, because you will score most of the marks here. Because now there is a book that everybody recommends. I wouldn't recommend that at all, because it's very lengthy. I have got a whole 15 lecture series on critical thinking, and in that series I've got first the strategies and then question practice, just exactly like IMAT. So if you learn the strategies and then solve the question exactly like IMAT, then you have like done it. Just go and practice some questions and appear in your exam. I can guarantee you, you will get all the questions right in critical thinking. Okay, then in problem solving, there is no like specific syllabus. It has got what? It has got mental math. You just need to solve some graph, some like data will be given to you. You will have to get to the conclusion. Okay, that's all. Now there is general knowledge. General knowledge is kind of general knowledge. So for general knowledge, there is no specific syllabus, although they change the name to reading skills, but still they ask about Italian history and government stuff and poem and poets. So I would say go and learn some summaries about the Italian kind of general knowledge. That's kind of wasted of time, but you can spend some time. Just I have got lots of lectures on general knowledge that do help, because if you can watch them, there will be out of 4 you can easily get 2 questions correct, and that's all you need to be in top 1%. Okay, after general knowledge, there is maths. Maths is the most hated subject, although it's easier. They do ask very hard questions, but in syllabus, if you look at the syllabus, it has got everything. I would say try to focus on most R subjects like algebra, logarithm, and then there is some real numbers, and then the most important one, factorization. You must you have to get this, and functions and domains, arithmetic means, because these are all the questions that they were asking previously. And if you can just master algebra, you will solve 2 questions right, and that's all you need. But there is a thing, most students do not work on basics. They go for upper level, and that's what they fail them. So I would say grab the basics of math, learn some formulas, and just apply them, and practice is what makes you perfect. And then after maths, there is nothing left. That is just you be dedicated. But anyways, now I have got all the PDFs. The PDF, it will be in video description, that is published by Italian Ministry, and you can download it. But the thing is, there will be some updates. Okay, there will be updates. So I publish them in my WhatsApp channel, and then I have got Instagram, Sami Qamar. So you can just go and follow me, and yeah, all the updates will be there for absolutely free. The thing here is the master classes. You need to watch those master classes. It has got for biology, chemistry, physics, and maths. It has got 1 and 2 hours lectures, completely free. I have got in the video description below. That will be on my website. Just go and watch them. And remember this, in that video lecture I have got, this is the most weighted chapter or topic in the IMAT, so you really need to work on it. So it's really easy, isn't it? But the thing here is, if you have got any questions, just DM me, and all the links that I mentioned to the lectures and the cell biology lecture will be video description, and then syllabus PDF, and then the master classes. So I hope you got value. If you've got any queries, drop them down, or straight hit me a DM at Sami Qamar. So Instagram, by the way. Okay, bye bye. Bye. What's bye? Because I will see you in next video. Till bye bye.